Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your iPhone 15 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your iPhone 15 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the UAG Monarch Pro case in Kevlar silver. Yes, Monarch Pro has been around for a while, but now they started doing with Kevlar, and I love the silver design on this case. If you haven't used UAG, I don't know where you have been, but UAG is one of my favorite cases that I use on a majority of my phones. Like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Do you get camera protection? Also, do you get lip action? This is a MagSafe case, so it will charge your phone with MagSafe devices and charging bricks. I don't understand the whole MagSafe thing, but if you are a MagSafe fan, the magnet in here should be pretty good for that. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. The silver is $99, so it does cost a little bit more than the regular Monarch Pro, but you get that protection that UAG is known for, the build quality, you know, the quality of material that they use on their cases. I love the packaging too. You get 25 feet drop protection on here. It has the built-in magnet. If y'all want to pause that and read it, you can definitely do so if my camera will focus on that. But let's get into this review. Enough of talking about the box, but look, man, look at that UAG brand in there. I love that silver color. You have the little honeycomb patterns on the side for extra grip. You have the action button, the volume rockers there, the cutouts. Now this will protect your phone. It won't show off the beauty, but look at that camera protection you get. You do get lip action all the way around, especially if the phone is in there. Everything lines up. Man, look at that. The volume rockers are easy to press. I mean, the power button is easy to press, my bad. The volume rockers are easy to press also. And then you have room in there to get to the action button also. So you have a little room in there to get to that action button. The honeycomb patterns on the side gives you the extra grip that you look for. Man. Now, can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem because it has the built-in magnet for it. Now, does it add bulk too? Yes, it does add a little bit of bulk, but not much. I mean, it's not a heavy case, and the phone is not that heavy. At least the 15 Pro is not. Look at the drop protection you get on the corner. So it has a little side profile there. Now, the overall fit, it's a little loose at the bottom around the cutouts. At the top, it's pretty good. The sides, I don't know what y'all think, but it comes back though, but it does go away from it. I don't think it's a deal breaker for me. Can you wireless charge? Have my little MagSafe thing here. And the magnet is strong and it's charging the phone. Man, that's actually, it's a pretty good magnet. I mean, it's not the strongest magnet, but it's pretty strong. But there you go. So you can wireless charge with it with no issues. I mean, it has a built-in magnet in there anyway. So let's go over it. You get the lip action all the way around. You also have camera protection. The fit, let's see how hard is it to get off. See, now this is where the cases really matter. When you're trying to get it off the phone, it takes a little bit of strength to get it off, so that's good. The buttons feel really great on there. So this overall, man, I probably will be rocking this case a lot using this phone. If you want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have links there. You can get this from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.